Hey Yard Warriors, today we are checking out the YARDMAX 22-201 cubic centimeters Select Pace Lawn Mower, a compact but mighty self-propelled beast with a rear or front-wheel drive CVT and 6-speed selector. Made for small to mid-size yards, this mower offers solid gas-powered performance without feeling bulky. Key features and specifications. This mower boasts a powerful 201 cubic centimeters OHV engine with auto choke start, driving a 20-16 gauge steel max flow deck. It features 7 cutting heights, 1.38, 3.55 controlled by a single lever, rugged 8 front and 11 spiked rear wheels with ball bearings, and a convenient deck clean-out port. Plus, the CVT Select Pace lets you choose from 6 drive speeds to match your walking pace. Sweet. Price. New units typically land around $370 to $400, making this a great value for a feature-rich self-propelled gas mower. Pros and cons. Pros. Time strong, effortless performance, even in tall or damp grass. Times adjustable drive speed with CVT and 6-gear selector. Times sturdy steel deck and aggressive tires provide traction and durability. Times easy maintenance with a clean-out port and auto choke start. Cons. Times reports of self-propel issues failures after extended use. Times slightly heavy and can be hard to maneuver for smaller users. Times some critical reviews mention reliability problems under warranty. Customer review summary. Most users are impressed by its power and traction. Beast. Tall grass doesn't stall it. Wet, muddy ground doesn't stop it. Amazing mower. Second pull fired right up. However, a vocal minority warns of drivetrain failures. Avoid. Worst, most ineffective, separated into several pieces. Overall, it averages about 4.1 out of 5 stars at major retailers. Should you buy it or not? If you want a high-performing, CVT-powered gas mower with strong cutting ability for small to mid-size lawns, and you're okay troubleshooting potential early issues, this YARDMAX is a solid choice. But if you want hassle-free reliability off the bat or need lighter maneuverability, you might lean toward a trusted brand like Toro or Honda.